Hi, as you know, I'm Sebastián Campuzano from 9C, and today I'm going to explain the future value for my university. First of all, I want to say that I want to study law career in the Rosario University in Colombia, and we have to take into account this data. We have to take into account that the university now have a cost of 13,045,000. So the formula of future value could be 13,045,000 in parentheses 1 plus 2.5 per 3.5%, and that result is going to be 14,186,437. With that result, we can conclude that the future value of my university is going to grow 8.04% approximated, and the difference between the present value and the future value is going to be 1,141,437. After this, I'm going to find the interest rate that I could have when I'm going to take off my credit for the first semester of my university. So let's go. For this I divide the future value in 6 to have monthly charges for 6 months, and that monthly charges is going to be 2,364,406. And also for this we have to take into account interest rate of 0.67% per month, and that is going to be 4% per semester. First of all, we have to multiply 14,186,437 per the interest rate, that is 0.67%, and that result is going to be the interest rate in the first payment. And you have to repeat the same process with every month payment. But also you have to take into account that you have to rest the balance that you have in that payment with the payment that you are going to make. So in the first case, we have a balance of 14,186,437, and we rest with 2,364,406, and this is going to be the balance that we are going to use for make the interest rate too, and we have to make this consecutively until leaving the debt at that I'm going to use to have the money for my university in the future is to save since now. So this is the data that we have to take into account. For this I'm going to save 100,000 per 30 months, that is equal to 2.5 years, and that's equal to 3 million pesos, and that I'm going to use it to pay the first charge of my university credit, and the charge that is going to left over I'm going to use it to pay the requirements that I'm going to need for my university, like copies and books. That's all, and thanks for watching. Bye.